I came out to check and see how the bees were doing cleaning up this comb, and I have a swarm in one of my swarm boxes that's just been sitting out here. I don't know if it's one of my swarms or someone else's swarm. So here we are. It's been a day and the swarm is looking really good. They're starting to build new comb right here. We got new comb. And here's the queen. I don't know if you can see her in there. There she is. Right there. So I'm going to release her, and I don't think they will leave, but we never know. There she is, right there. And there she goes. All right. I'll check back in a few days and see how they're doing. I put 2 frames of drawn comb in there, so she might start laying immediately, and we'll check for eggs and see how we're doing. Thank you for watching. If you like this, like it and subscribe to our channel, and I hopefully will do more of these videos if I get the time. All right, thank you.